Okay, very good afternoon friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Napier analogy and some other important aspects for how to find the area of a triangle using trigonometry. So first I go for the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. This is a triangle ABC, and you know that area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. So, and we have base which is A, and in the triangle different situations, like suppose this, if you take this BC as a base, then the corresponding height will be this. If you take AC as the base, then you have to draw perpendicular from B onto AC. And if you take AB as the base, then you have to draw the perpendicular from C onto AB. So one by one, since in this case I have assumed that my base is BC and this is perpendicular AD, so I'll have AB half into BC into AD, that is the area of the triangle. Okay? So area of triangle is half BC into height, so half into BC base into height is AD, right? Now what is BC? That is A. Now how to find height? So this is B and this is C. So I'll use this triangle. If you use this triangle, in triangle ABC, sine C means sine of this is opposite, which is AD upon hypotenuse, which is AC. So sine C is AD upon AC is B. So AD is B sine C. So if you use this one, then you get your area of triangle is half A BC and AD is B sine C. So AB sine C. See, A, B and the sine of the angle between this. So similarly, if you take this is the base, then you have half, then for this angle B, then you have AC, so half AC sine B, means half into product of the sides into the sine of angle contained by those sides. So if I say ABC as the side, so half BC, half BC, and which angle is contained by the B and C? So that is angle A, so sine A. So this all are area of triangle ABC. And after clearing this mess, I'll discuss a Napier analogy. So this is Napier's analogies. So it says that in a triangle ABC, tan B minus C upon 2 is B minus C upon B plus C cot A by 2. So there is other form also, tan A minus B upon 2 is A minus B upon A plus C, A minus B, because tan A, this B, B, C, C. So tan A minus C by 2 is A minus C upon A plus C into cot whatever is missing. What is missing? B, C, A is missing. So cot that value. So three relations are there. This is called as Napier's analogies, and now we have to find how to prove it. So to prove it, first we have to use the sine rule. Sine rule is what you have studied in the last video. This goes like A upon sine A, B upon sine B is C upon sine C is K, a constant. Then what do you get? You get A equals K sine A, B equals K sine B, C equals K sine C. Now we have B minus C, because we will start proving from the RHS to LHS. So our RHS is b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. So first we'll start finding this. What is b minus c upon b plus c? So you have b and you have c. So this is k sine a minus k sine c upon k sine, oh, this is b, k sine b plus k sine c. Now take common and cancel them. Then what do you get? You get sine b minus sine c upon sine b plus sine c. Now what is sine b minus sine c? That is 2 cos b plus c by 2 into sine b minus c by 2. And what is sine a plus sine c, sine c plus sine d? This formula goes like 2 sine b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. So now you see sine b minus c, sine b minus this thing, this becomes your tan b minus c by 2, and this 2 cancel. Now we have cos b plus c by 2 upon sine b plus c by 2. Now we know that sine theta is cos theta if the angles are complementary. So sine b plus c. Now if you just pay attention, so see in the triangle a plus abc, so a plus b plus c, 2 cos and sine. So a plus b plus c is pi. So b plus c will become pi minus a. So b plus c by 2 will become pi by 2 minus a by 2. So cos b plus c will become cos pi by 2 minus a by 2 upon this will become sine pi by 2 minus a by 2. Now sine pi by 2 is 90, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so this is sine a by 2 and this is cos a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. So that is tan a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. Now what are these values? These values we have just calculated. This is b minus c upon b plus c. So if you bring this tan on this side, then this will go down and become cot. So b minus c upon b plus c cot, or even if you take cot as reciprocal and of tan, then this one comes down and multiply become tan a by 2, tan b minus c by 2 is this. So here we have the final result. I try to bring this one down. So I get b minus c upon b plus c into, when this comes down, become 1 upon tan, and that is cot a by 2 is tan b minus c upon 2, and this is your Napier's analogy. This is it. In the next video we will solve some questions using all these relationships what you have studied so far. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and stay growing with us.